Today I'm collaborating with T-Rex alcohol inks and I'm going to make a pretty plant holder. Welcome back. For those of you who haven't used alcohol inks on glass, this is a really easy DIY to start out with. So I'll get right into these inks and show you the colors that come in this starter set. You get 2 greens, 3 blue shades, purple, a black, 2 yellow, 2 pinks, and a clear blender which helps move the inks around. I'll link this set and the colors that I used in the description below. And just so that you know, this is the blender, which is actually clear, but I accidentally got some blue inks on the tip when I was practicing. It doesn't ruin it or anything, but just be careful of that. First, I need to make a handle so that I can turn the glass as the alcohol inks are being poured on. I'm using a drink muddler and some hot glue. I've seen some other ways that people do this, like using long candles or the extra long hot glue sticks, and of course a cup turner if you have one of those. When I'm ready to move it, I just pour some water into the glass on the hotter side, and then I just let it sit and it comes off pretty easily. Okay, let's get playing with this ink. So do use gloves if you're worried about getting these inks on your hands, as they will stain. I'm going to start with the blender and then start layering on the inks. Now I'm going to use the blender and make little dots, so these will spread and make a little circle design. Since this is decorative, I'm not going to spray seal it. It will be fine just as it is. Isn't that pretty? I just love it. To finish it off, I'm using some fireglass and a baby plant from my hens and chicks. I might change this to an air plant later on. I'll see how it goes. And it's all finished. I hope you found this helpful. And if you want to see more DIYs like this, please subscribe. Have a great day.